The Employment and Labour Court has temporarily suspended the establishment of the Office of Chief Administrative Secretary in the Public Service. The order was issued by Justice Monica Mbaru in a petition filed by the Law Society of Kenya challenging legality of PS's decision to create the CAS position. Rukia Bule has more.
The High Court has temporarily barred President William Ruto and the Public Service Commission from establishing the Chief Administrative Secretary CAS positions until a case filed by the Law Society of Kenya is heard and determined. This comes as PSC invited Kenyans to apply for the position of CAS in the public service. The Commission had last month called for public participation in compliance with the court order that declared the position unconstitutional. Meanwhile, the Public Service Commission on Wednesday commenced interviews for 585 candidates shortlisted for principal secretary positions. 59 candidates were scheduled and interviewed. Fazul Mohammed, former chair of NGO board, former Kakamega governor running mate Dr. Beatrice Muganda Inyangala, former nominated MP David Ole Sankok, Benjamin Tayari, former MP Kinango, and Mary Chebukati Wanyonyi, wife to IBC chairman Wafula Chebukati, are among those who faced the panel today. The PSC sat in 5 panels to hasten the interview process, with each session lasting half an hour. Earlier, PSC recalled a list of 477 candidates before issuing a new list of 585. Some have pointed this to be of political affiliation. However, Sankok, who was part of the 108 members who were added to the list, refuted these claims.
I told you, and I will still insist, that the PSC is a professional and independent institution that have carried out interviews, and the best man or woman will emerge from these interviews, and whether you supported Kenya Kwanza or supported the other political outfit.
The Commission said it had reviewed the number of shortlisted candidates to accommodate marginalized minority groups, the youths, people living with disabilities, and gender. After the completion of the interviews, PSC will recommend successful applicant names for nomination by the President. Before the names are submitted to Parliament for vetting by House departmental committees for approval by the House. The Commission is expected to finish interviewing the shortlisted individuals on October 22nd. Rukia Bule, NTV.